Hello! In this video I will show you how to copy a file from your Windows machine onto your lab machine. So what if you prefer to write your code in your favorite text editor like VS Code or Atom or Notepad++. So you're used to it, you love writing code in the Notepad++. But then you must upload the file onto your lab machine to compile it there and to make sure that it compiles there. It's not that easy, it's not that straightforward, but it can be done. Again using PuTTY, but not the PuTTY itself, but a PuTTY utility named PSCP. So let's try. So I assume that you have PuTTY already installed. And if you have PuTTY installed, you have the PSCP utility installed as well. To work with it, I will need to open my command prompt in Windows, and I'm just making it a little bit bigger font to make it more visible. So I need to get to the directory where my files are stored, so I'm just changing it to C compute 201, and I think I should have a Celsius. No, alright. This is Windows, there is no LS, there is dir. Thank you, good old MS-DOS. So yes, and I have this Celsius. Alright, I'm here, dir, not ls, it's Windows. Okay, so I have this celsius.c file that I created in my favorite Notepad++, and now I want to upload it to my lab machine. Let's get to PuTTY and create a special folder so that I can upload this file into that new folder. mkdir celsius cd Celsius here. Just as you can see, it's ls, not dir, it's Linux. It's empty, so I will be uploading this file into this newly created Celsius directory. So I'm hoping that you're following me now. Getting back, so I have two command prompts. So this is my Linux, this is my lab machine, and this is my Windows. So this is my local laptop. And I need to upload this file, celsius.c, over here, and I just need to type this pscp command, pscp, and just follow me here. So celsius.c, assuming that I'm inside this folder. Otherwise, if I'm not inside here, I can just type the full path. So C drive compute 201 celsius.c, so I can type the full path, or if I'm inside I can just leave the file name. So but let's do it with the full path just so you know how it works. So this is what I'm copying, and now I need to show the pscp command where I wanted to go. So I wanted to go to my lab machine, and there is a special format to write this path, this external path. So first of all, I need to type my username. This is your CCID. Do not use mine because you will be using yours. So it's my CCID at the lab machine that you are using. So let's go here, and you can see that now I'm using the lab machine number 25. So let's use the same host name, ug25.cs.ualberta.ca, and now I'm typing a colon, and after the colon I need to type the full path where I want the celsius.c file to appear. Let's get back to the Linux terminal, pwd So this is my full path. This is the full path of this folder I just created, and I need this file to go right in here. So I just go back to my Windows command prompt, and after the colon I type /cs home, my CCID, and the folder name inside my home folder, Celsius. Alright, once again, PSSP, what I am copying, and where does it need to go. Hit enter, and let's just pray that this is all correct. Looks like it's correct, so it is asking for my password. Should be pretty secure because it's going through the SSH. It's a secure protocol, but just in case, it never hurts to have some sort of a VPN running if you're working from a coffee shop or some unsafe place. So I'm typing in my password, hitting enter, and yeah, so this small file goes to the server, and looks like it's okay. Let's get to our Linux terminal, ls, and voila, yes, so we have the celsius.c file right here. I can cat this to see what's inside. Yes, so this is our file that we created using our favorite text editor in Windows, and we uploaded it to the lab machine using the pscp command in Windows. And now it's here, and we can vim this file, and maybe if we want to continue editing this, we can do it safely on our Linux machine. Cool, so now you know how to do that. Please try it yourself, please practice. So I still encourage you not to write your code in Windows. I still encourage you to write all your code in Vim and debug all your code right on the lab machines, because it will give you the practice that you need working in Unix, working with Vim, and doing all that without your mouse. But if for some reason you just want to maybe have some boilerplate in Windows, and maybe type in some input values and stuff, so yeah, feel free to use PSCP to do that. Alright, thank you and bye.